Hi friends. So today we will be learning how to redistribute a static route in OSPF on FortiGate. So if you will see that my diagram here, we have running OSPF neighborship, and here we have configured a static route. So we will be redistributing this static route on our FortiGate. So it will advertise from here, and we would able to ping that one. So if we will see as of now from here, if we will try to ping 3.3.3.3, so it's not pinging. Okay, so we will go on this one, and we will configure redistribute that static route. So we will try to ping again. Okay, so for that we will go under net dashboard. Okay, here we can see the neighbor. So as of now we have one neighbor which is between our that between LAN and that FortiGate. Okay, so we will go under network. Here we will go under OSPF, and here if you will see we will scroll down here, and if you will see we have not enabled any redistribution here. So first to configure the static redistribute static, we have to create the object. So we will go here. We will first create a route map. So here we will put a route map name like WAN routes. Okay, under that we will click on that, and we will create a rule. So what we need to allow here, so in the rule we have to match the IP. Here we will create a access list. Okay, so in access list what we need to allow, that we have to put. So here we will put 3.3.3.3 slash 32, which we will be distributing. Okay, so we will click on OK. Here we will give that ACL name. So ACL name, I will give ACL WAN ACL, because this is WAN route. Okay, we will click on OK again. So we have that ACL. We will select that ACL. Okay, then we will click on it is permit action. We need to allow, and then we have to click on OK. So we have ACL, and under this route map we will allow that one. So our route map is created now. One ACL is created and one route map is created. Okay, so we will go in our under OSPF. In OSPF under, we will scroll down last. Here we will see that redistribute static. We will enable that one. Here if we want to set any metric, we can put that metric, and we can put that metric type like how we want to advertise. So we will leave it. We will advertise static route as a E2 route, and we will not put any tag as well. So here we will select our filter. So route map, here what we need to, we will specify, and we will select our when that route map. So here we have selected that route map. Okay, now we will click here. Okay, so now our redistribution part is done. Okay, to test that one, we will go here under LAN. Okay, so we will check the route. So IP route 3.3.3.3. So as of now we can see we are learning this route via OSPF, and that it is external route, E2 route. Okay, metric is default 10, and distance 110, which is OSPF. Okay, now we will try to ping 3.3.3. So it is working. Okay, so like what we did, we like first create the route map, and we go on OSPF. Under OSPF we have here we have call that route map. Okay, so once you call it, is like it will be our this static routing redistribution will happen. Like it will redistribute static route which we have configured here. If you will see that route, it is redistributing to the under OSPF. Okay, so that's done for the our lecture. If you want me to like make any other video specific topic, you can comment. We will like make a topology for that as well. Thank you for watching.